Hey, what's up everybody, Dave here with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing my first big time Collectibles gold membership monthly mystery box. So I've already cut the tape. I'm going to open it up. I did cut some of this painter's tape here, make things quicker. Alright, so let's check out the books and see what we got this month. Alright, Walt Disney's Uncle Scrooge, issue number 39 from IDW. That's a pretty cool cover. That's nice. Alright, next up we got Tank Girl Action Alley. Don't know which issue this is or who that's by. Alright, that's cool. Old Man Logan, issue number 50, variant edition from Marvel Comics. That's pretty cool. Very nice. Alright. Old Lady Harley, issue number 3 from a 5-issue miniseries, DC Comics. Weird cover. Ooh, that's pretty fucking sweet. Wow, look at that. There's Ghost Rider. It's a Ghost Rider Virgin variant. Wow, that's really cool. I think this one, I mean, it looks like it's probably, I think that's a website exclusive, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, Venom issue number 1, variant edition from Marvel. Pretty cool Venom right there. Alright, look at this. Spider-Boy cover. Alright, this is the last book. Let's get this off. Oh, here we go. Alright, there we go. August Big Time Collectible Gold Membership Box Featured Exclusive. Spider-Man issue number 11. Miko Cyan Exclusive Sketch Variant. Number 214 out of 500. Oh, you can see it there. Yeah, pretty cool. That's a pretty cool cover right there. Whew. Alright. So yeah, it was definitely worth it. A lot of really cool books there. Alright, so that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, be safe, be well. I'll catch you all later.
Yeah,